the government talks about development. Let me remind this House that Shillong, or rather Meghalaya, is one of the famous tourist destinations. And while talking to friends outside in the corridor, when they ask me where do I come from, I say, I come from Shillong. Oh, Shillong is a very beautiful place. I hope members who have never visited Shillong or Meghalaya for that matter would one day make it a point to visit Meghalaya. But the sad part is that Meghalaya is now almost 52 years old. Unfortunately, till today, well, we have an airport, but an airport which is not where big planes cannot land. Even though the fact remains that Shillong, or rather Meghalaya, is
itself more than thousands of Bangladeshis, they try to penetrate the Meghalaya through the border illegally, sir. So through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to apprise the Union Minister from the Home Department, at least try to take the preventive measures right now. 2,000 kilometers which is not even covered. So we need a preventive measures to be taken seriously by the central government, sir. We don't have a proper security right now in our state. So thousands of people are suffering right now. Immigrants from Rohingya refugees, they're entering there.